whenever a student is created, we'll try to insert couple of mark sheets. Okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Okay. File.
Okay.
New Apex trigger. Yeah. So you need to give a proper name. Okay. So the first best practice of writing trigger is there should be one trigger per object.
One
Okay.
trigger per object. Okay.
Yeah. You have option to create multiple triggers, but the recommended solution, recommended best practice is one trigger per object. So
Okay.
the name should be given properly. Okay.
Okay.
So the general naming best practices, we give as generic student trigger, something like that. Okay. Whereas we add everything there. Okay. All trigger logics will be added in the same trigger. Okay. So we should say generic student trigger.
Okay.
Yeah. Object. Which object?
Student.
Yeah. Choose that.
Submit.
Yeah.
Generic student trigger is
You
not done
can't
legally.
have space there.
Okay. Do I need to put underscores or how it is?
Yeah, this should be fine.
Okay.
Yeah. So it has created, right? So now you can see it says before insert, right?
Correct. Correct.
Any idea about that?
Uh, no, probably like we're trying to capture what is the data that is there before inserting a record,
Mhm. Okay.
or pre-work before we insert something.
Okay. Let me explain. Okay. So there are, whenever you're performing a DML operation, there are two main contexts. Okay. One is
Mhm.
before and the other one is after. Okay.
Okay.
Before means before the record is inserted into the database, before the record is updated, before the record is deleted. There is a state there. Okay. And then the other one is after. After the record is inserted, after the record is updated, or after the record is deleted. Okay. So these are all the various things. And there is one more special event which is undelete. Okay. So undelete doesn't have before, it has only after.
Okay.
Okay. Because before the undelete, it usually sits under the recycle bin. Yeah. So there is no before event on that particular case. It's only after. Yeah. Are you getting
Okay.
a idea about it?
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I understand, Saravanan.
Yeah. So before the record is inserted, we can do some checks like validation rule, or we can populate certain field values. Yeah. Once the record is inserted, which means after the record is inserted or update, we can perform some operations on the child record or some invoke other classes, those sort of things. Yeah. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Now, currently this trigger will only fire for insert operation, and that too before insert. Okay.
Okay.
So this will not fire for any other events.
Okay.
Okay. So how to make your trigger to fire on all events is to add those events here.
Yeah. So after insert and then after update, after delete,
Can you do
before
that?
delete, those things, right?
Yeah. Can you do that?
Yeah, I think so. Uh, can I copy it and paste this?
No. 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 No.
Okay.
So basically, you can put a comma next to before insert and then start adding those other events also.
Okay. Insert, update.
No, it should be before insert, before update, like that.
Okay. Okay.
Before is
Before
already there. For insert, you already have before, right?
correct.
So you
Uh-huh.
can put after insert there and then like in a sequential order.
Okay. So I got it then. So I should go for before insert, then after insert.
Yeah.
Okay.
Before
Then
update, after
before
update.
update, after update.
Yeah. Yeah. After and delete.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, uh-huh.
So now, if you how to know whether your trigger has fired or not, for that you need to do some DML operation. Yeah.
Mhm.
Remember this, without DMLs, your trigger will not fire.
Correct. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Without DMLs, your trigger will never ever fire. Okay. So, what you can do is, we have added every event the trigger can possibly fire. Yeah. But let's say if we are inserting, okay,
Okay.
then do you expect the update trigger to fire?
We are
No, right?
inserting. Yes, it should. It should, right? Because we are doing inserting here.
But we are not performing anything update, right?
We have it here, right? Before, after update.
That's what. It is an unnecessary execution, right? If you technically think,
No, no. Can you come again, Saravan? I did not get the
when
logic.
you are inserting the record, is it
Okay.
appropriate for us to fire update events?
Okay. No, no, no. Okay. Makes sense. Like, it's unnecessary
Yeah.
performance issues on the system, isn't it?
Yeah. The code will execute without any reason, right?
Okay. Okay.
So we need to precisely specify, even though we have specified it, we can have code blocks, okay, which will execute based on the certain event. Okay. So how to do that is basically we need to specify even other things on the code. Okay. So those are line number 2, put a tab there, hit tab. Yeah. If brackets, the functional brackets,
Okay.
not this one. This is curly brace. Yeah. The above one, what you have for before all those things. Yeah.
Okay.
Trigger dot is insert. Yeah. So keep in mind, Apex is not case sensitive.
Okay.
Okay. Whereas JavaScript, all those things are case sensitive. Apex is not case sensitive. Okay. But even though it is not case sensitive, we need to follow certain naming conventions and all those things. Yeah. So generally these things are like for insert, you can put IS capital only for this thing, just to make any difference. Yeah. No. Is fine. I is should be small. That insert I should be caps. Yeah. Okay. Now, at the end of the line number 2, put a curly braces. Yeah, hit enter.
Okay.
No. Open brace. Yeah, hit enter inside that. Yeah. Okay. Now, same way, after that, after line number 4, hit enter. Yeah. If trigger dot is update. Same way you do. Okay. Next one is trigger dot is delete. After line number 7. Yeah.
Is delete, right? Yeah.
Yeah. One more. If trigger dot is undelete. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the major events which will happen. Okay. Now, two things here. One is before and after, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So how can you put there? How can you add that conditions?
Uh,
I'll tell you. Line number 1, hit enter at the end. Yeah. Insert a new line. Yeah. If trigger dot is before.
okay.
Yeah.
Same
After the
way, I'll
curly
open it and enter.
braces. Yeah. Now copy this entire item and put it inside that. No. From there
All
to
things.
till that brace. Yeah. Yeah. Cut and paste. Whenever you're doing it, make sure you're entering a tab. Hit Control Z. Control Z. Hit it. No. Wait.
Okay.
Cut it here from
I
5
mean,
to 16.
yeah, from 5 to 16, right? Okay.
Cut. Now click there. Hit a tab. Yeah. Now paste it. Yeah. Just from 14 to 5. Just select it in from reverse order. Yeah. Now hit tab. Yeah. Okay. This is the way you align it. Now from
Okay.
2 to 15 copy. Okay. Line number 16, paste it.
Tab paste.
Tab paste. Yes. It should be code should be aligned properly. Okay. Now
Yeah.
before, can you put after? Now save it. It will automatically save. If you put Control S, it will automatically save.
Okay.
Okay. Is this clear till this point? What we have done?
Yeah. So we have started if it is before and if it is after.
Yeah.
Underneath, like we did. Okay, but if it is here, we don't need this one, right? Undelete. Can I remove it?
Yeah. Please. We have created that
Uh,
just for the generic thing. Yeah. You can
correct.
remove.
That's it.
Yeah. Now save it.
Okay.
Okay. Now, how do you know your trigger is firing? Okay. There is a
Okay.
way. Okay. So this is a very important point. A developer should know how to debug.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Without debugging, you cannot do efficient development activity because you don't know what the code is exactly doing, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So for that, you need to add debug logs. Let's say you are inserting a what to say a student record. Okay.
Record. Okay.
So let's say we put a debug in before and after insert. Okay. How
Mm-hmm.
to put
Mm-hmm.
debug there is inside inside before insert.
Before insert. Okay.
No. You have a code block there before insert. Line number 3 to 5 is your before insert.
Line number 3 to 5. Okay.
Yeah. No, 3 to 5 is your before insert, right?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Don't select it. We are
Yeah.
not
Yeah. No. No. Yeah.
looking
Yeah.
at. Inside the brackets, you need to type system.debug. Not there. Yeah, inside the curly braces.
Here, right? Or
Here,
this one?
here. Hit enter, hit enter. No. Yeah. At line number 4, hit the tab, type system.debug. Brackets. You are getting the suggestion, right?
Mm-hmm.
System.debug. Hit enter there. It will automatically pick them. Just hit enter. Okay. Now say I am in before insert.
Okay.
Similarly, can you do it for after insert also?
Okay. After insert.
Save it.
Okay.
Okay. Now, how to debug? The easiest way to debug is here on the developer console at the bottom, you can see logs, right? As the first
Correct.
tab. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Click that. Okay. So now this is where you are going to see how the debugging is working. Okay. So logs are nothing but when you initiate a transaction, whenever you insert or update or anything you create, okay, in the backend, Salesforce will generate log files for you. Okay.
Hmm.
Always. It's up to you to monitor it or use it. Okay. But technically, this developer log will be created only if the only if you are viewing it. Okay. So there are two ways of debugging. One is on the developer log, and inside the org also you can do debugging. Okay. Inside the org, I'll tell you. Okay. For now, we
Okay.
will see how the code is actually firing. Okay. So now, can you go inside the org and insert a student record? Yeah.
Okay.
Now go to debug log.